I'm the technology facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial is to check to see if your Google Chrome is up to date. This may help in testing, and it would be a good thing to do after your testing block today. You will need to log into your Google Chrome account. Students can do this as well as teachers, so have every student log into a Chromebook, regardless of if you've used them or not, just to see if they're up to date. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your three dots or three lines in the top right-hand corner, which is your settings menu of Google. When you click it, you're going to go all the way down to Help, and you're going to select the words About Google Chrome OS. So when you get there, you're going to look for whether or not it's up to date. So this one we just recently updated, and it's version 63, and then at the very end it's .140. But just in case, you can click check for updates. It may take a few minutes. It will tell you whether or not it is up to date. If it is not up to date, it will spin for a little bit, and it may prompt you to restart your device once it is up to date. Now remember, CMS does control the version of Chrome, so this is the current most up-to-date version. This might fix some of the issues that we've had with dropped computers. The other thing you want to make sure your students do is you do want to make sure that students are regularly shutting down your Chromebook and restarting it so that it'll be forcing updates if it hasn't already. So I hope this helps you.